Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Happiness. Do you like to have snacks when you are hungry? What do you eat? Ice cream, chocolates, chips? Even I like to have them all the time. But my papa and mama doesn't allow me to eat all the time. So, do you know what I like to have? It's healthy, nutrient-rich snack. And it is Soulfull Ragi Bites. Yummy yum! This snack is made up of ragi that is very healthy, and it is mixed up with cocoa. And inside it is generously filled with chocolate cream. Now you can have as much chocolate you want. No more. No. From Papa and Mama. So now let's look at the box. So here it says free toy. We can collect 6 of them. I have collected this much. Calcium from ragi, no preservatives, protein from dal. So we also have soulful delicious millets, banana flavored ragi flakes, ragi original ragi flakes. We have other flavors of chocolate. We have strawberry and vanilla. I have tasted these two. It is very good, and my favorite is chocolate. So here are some activities that we can do. Here are some information about our Soulfull, as I said before. So I'm going to take this snacks for my school snacks. My teacher once called me it is healthy. I can also share with my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like, share, subscribe to our channel. Click that bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Bye! Have this healthy snack. It smells so good.